Looking for a stunning dessert for your holiday table? Crumble Crate has you covered. Our mini orange and cranberry pavlovas all start by creating delicate meringue nests. Come bake with us and learn the pro tips and techniques on how to create the perfect crispy meringues. These include properly beating the egg whites, fully incorporating the granulated sugar, and of course obtaining the perfect stiff peaks. Your Crumble Crate baking kit includes a French star piping tip as well as a reusable pastry bag, two perfect tools for creating adorable nests. The cranberry curd is a unique element that not only provides a tangy flavor, but also a bright punch of color to this festive dessert. Come learn how to properly cook the cranberries as well as to properly temper the egg yolks so that your curd is silky, smooth, and shiny. By the way, this cranberry curd can be stored for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator, making it the ideal make-ahead step. A pro tip to keeping the meringues crispy and crunchy is to not fill with the curd until ready to serve. The rich orange chantilly cream pairs perfectly with the tangy curd and the sweet meringues. Just a dollop of cream allows the ruby red curd to peek through the top of your pavlovas. As a finishing touch, I like to top each pavlova with a slice of orange, a sprig of rosemary, and of course, a cranberry. A show-stopping dessert from my table to yours. Enjoy!